Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and setup of the Instax camera. It's a Hello Kitty version. So when you open up the box, pretty much good packaging. Then you'll see the manual first. It's got clear instructions of what you can do to set it up. Then you see stickers as well. You can stick them on your fridge or whatever. Then you get the film. 10 shots you can get from this film. Then when you look inside, you finally see the camera and the batteries and the strap as well. Those are the batteries. It's AA batteries. Then you find the strap as well. It's pink, pretty nice color. Inside, then finally the camera. Take it out of the bubble wrap. Then you find it. It looks pretty good, huh? Then that's where the film comes out. At the back you find the placeholder for the film, then the viewfinder. Then you see what's left in the box. Now this will magnify your view. Then set up, get the strap out, get it ready to tag to the camera. Then place it right. Then pass the strap through the pin. Pass it through one more time. Pass it through the second time again. Make sure it's fastened. Then pass it through the second plastic thing. Make sure it's fastened. Then do the same for the second side of the camera. Make sure you have the right side. Pass it through the ring. And do the same. Don't forget to pass it through twice, through the first plastic thing, then the second time through the second plastic thing. No, the third time through the second plastic thing. Make sure it's fastened. And you're done. Then get your batteries. The battery placeholder is to the right of the camera. Get it open. Place them properly. Then shut it. Then get your camera film. Open it. Then you'll tear the second packaging. That's the second packaging. You'll tear it off to get out the film. Place it out. Then take notice of that yellow mark. Open the placeholder at the back of the camera. Make sure the yellow marks align. Then shut it immediately. Make sure it's fastened. Then turn the camera on. Then to the left, press that button. Make sure it flashes. Then that will take out the film, the first bit of the film. Take it out and throw it away. You don't need it. Then your camera is on. Take notice, that's just for lighting. If it's inside or then pressing that turns it off. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe and get in touch with me on Instagram.